Hi folks, thanks for watching the Stephen Mendes channel. Today on 21st Century Music, we just want to answer a few questions that new users, new owners of the synthesizers DOTCOM units might experience. They might have these questions after they try to hook up their system. First of all, with the MIDI module, when they hook their keyboard on, they will discover that the lower octaves, the lower notes, are not sounding at all, and they might become disconcerted. What is happening is that they are sounding, but they're sounding at pitches too high to be heard except by infants, because the MIDI notes are set to cycle around in a circle so that the higher voltages actually come on the lower notes. You have to open the MIDI module, take out the MIDI module and change a jumper so that MIDI note 0 actually is the lowest voltage of 0, and then the 10 octaves go up in positive steps, 1 octave per volt or 1 volt per octave up to the top. Okay, so after you've done that now, you'll realize that there's a disconcerting dislocation on your keyboard of where middle C and A440 actually occurs. So to get around that and to access the lower notes, you'll probably want to insert a negative offset into your input over there on the MIDI module. You'll notice that where it's next to the pitch, it has an add-in input that allows you to add a voltage to the pitch that's coming out of your MIDI module. What you'll want to put in there is negative 2 volts or so that you can actually push it down below the pitches on the 32 section of your knob at the top when it's set to 32 foot of your range switch on your oscillator. You'll want to actually go down a little bit below that to access, say, the bottom 3 or 4 notes on an 88 key piano controller or something like that. So you need to insert this little offset. Now what we're getting to by telling you all this is so that you'll understand the reason why you need to purchase the standards module to get this. The standards module allows you to insert offsets of positive and negative exact voltage that's derived with precision resistors. I did it just to test it using the offset knob on my signal processor, as you can see in the diagram there on my synthesizer on the screen. I have the offset, the lower offset knob hooked into that pitch input. But the problem is that the wiper of the pot of your knob doesn't make a very accurate precision connection at all times, and you'll find that you need to tweak that knob every now and then because the tuning is wandering, and it's a very fiddly adjustment, the very slightest turn of the knob and you're way off tune. So it doesn't really make sense to tune with a knob of that type where the range is sort of compressed there, and a very, very slight touch will send it way off. So you must get the standards module and dial in a precise voltage that will be rock stable and will have all your oscillators tracking correctly. Thanks for watching the Stephen Mendes channel, and we'll see you soon again.